The icehouse was built in 1818 by the ironmaster Samuel Humphreys, who lived here at Bedwellty House and Park. In the days before we had fridges, the food and drink was stored in the icehouse. It wasn't generally a problem during the winter months, but in the summer months it was proven quite a challenge. The solution was to build a 5-metre chamber underneath Bedwellty House and Park, which would be lined with brick and lined with straw and sawdust and layers of ice, which would stay cold throughout the year. Produce would be delivered to the icehouse from an opening from the top of the chamber and lowered to the floor where it would be on the layer of ice and straw. Workers would collect the produce from the icehouse from a tunnel leading from the carriage house at Bedwellty House and Park. This particular chapel is unusual compared to the other designs of the era because of the building situated on top of the chamber might have been used as a private chapel. The bell, which is located at the top of the chapel, would have been cast from the Tredegar Ironworks. Today the icehouse is part of the landscape of Bedwellty House and Park, open for all visitors to view. The underground tunnel is also able to be viewed from inside the carriage house at Bedwellty. Every Christmas the icehouse is used by a very special visitor. Father Christmas will come to the icehouse every year for children to come and visit him as part of our events that we hold at Bedwellty House and Park.